So I would also like to participate in this short duration discussion, and I'll try to be specific. Instead of asking questions from the government, I will give reply. Why these kind of activities keep happening in the border areas, atrocities to the people living in the border areas? Because the more the state government, the government of Meghalaya is willing to engage in dialogue with the Assam government, the more the courage they are to encroach and commit into different kind of atrocities. So, sir, I think the government of the day will have to change the approach, because it seems that there is also a perception in the mind of the Assam government that these leaders of Meghalaya, they are not even aware or sure of their own boundary. So, sir, we have heard the reply of the Honorable Chief Minister the other day when we discussed about the border, how they settle these 6 areas of difference. And when I look at this map, sir, I would like to show this map inside this house, sir, that this map is being published by the government of Meghalaya, and it is noted here that the interstate boundary between Meghalaya and Assam. Please help me. So, it is mentioned here in this map, sir, that the interstate boundary between Meghalaya and Assam is shown here in accordance with the definition of sub-para 2 of para 20 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution. The district boundary of South Garo Hills district has been entered in accordance with Government of Meghalaya notification number HPL 399/75/157 dated 3rd December 1976, boundary of Bagmara Civil Subdivision. The district boundary of Ribhoi district has been entered in accordance with the Government of Meghalaya notification number HPL 139/8900 dated 4th June 1992. And if you look at this map, sir, you'll find that all those areas which have been claimed by the Assam government are very much inside this map. So if the government is not in possession of this map, which is being published by the government of Meghalaya, I'm ready to hand it over to the government. So therefore, sir, I feel that there is a strong perception in the mind of the Assam government that maybe the leader in Meghalaya, they are not even aware of their own boundary. Maybe this is the reason that that we have to experience as a state these kind of encroachment and atrocities. So with these few words, sir, I would wish my seat, sir.
Thank you.